So guys, now we came into the ice cream museum. This place is so cool and very pinkish. I got my ice cream in Scream's Diner. So this is a mix of pink vanilla and apple pie. So let me taste it first. We came into a disco room and look at this. So beautiful.
This is a walkway and it looks so pretty.
Everything over here is filled with colors and this is amazing. I'm having so much fun. Please come and visit this place. I beg you all to do that. And now we are inside this sprinkle pool. So this place is really fun. And do you want to look around? Hi guys, I'm Kavinaya and you're watching Kavita Vaidya. So today I made it to another natureful place which is Kingfisher Wetlands near Gardens by the Bay. So let's go and have fun here. So guys, trust me, I am in Singapore for sure. I didn't come to any village or something because this place has filled with a lot of nature, that too in center of the city. You can't even imagine a place like this. So this one is Kingfisher Wetland. So you know Kingfisher is the king of the lake. So they have set up everything in such a good way and it is filled with a lot of nature. So let me show you a great look over here. So can you even imagine like coconut trees in Singapore, that too like this place? This is so good and you know the climate is really humid today. So it's not that sunny, you can have a very chill out day here. Over here there are plenty of birds chirping and the waterfall sound, everything is really amazing. You know, people in Singapore are always busy with their job and you know, it's filled with a lot of infrastructures. It's a busy town and city. But sometimes during weekends or during spending time with family, you need some place where you can chill and have some peace of mind. So these places like this nature-filled places are such a good opinion and option for you all to have and sit and chill and have a very good day out. So today I came from Bayfront MRT. I took this bicycle. This one is a property bicycle, so you have to just unlock it by using QR code. You have to top up before in your phone and then use it. So I came in this over here and this one is actually very great cycling at this. Guys, trust me, I am in Singapore, not in any village, because this place looks like that, filled with coconut trees, waterfall, lake and everything just gives me a very good vibe over here. So Gardens by the Bay has a lot of gardens inside it and this one is one of that, the Kingfisher Wetland. So this wetland is also supported and sponsored by Gardens by the Bay. You know, in Kerala, you can find a lot of places like this, like Alappuzha, and there are a lot of the backwaters, so it looks like that. So now we came inside the Kingfisher Wetland, so take a look at the wetland. So this one is called as the Wildlife Lookout. We have a lot of lily and lotus ponds over here. The climate today is really awesome, so I'm enjoying very well. If it's gonna be sunny, it's gonna be really hard to travel. But today it's a bit humid, so I'm enjoying very well. Guys, do you want to see a great thing over here? Ah, look at this waterfall! Oh my god, isn't it that pretty? It's a bit sunny now and this waterfall is looking so gorgeous and the water is just shining like something. The sound is really high, so I'm screaming like something, so never mind about it. I love this place so much. The way the water is flowing right from the top looks so natural, and I haven't seen such a beautiful place in Singapore. This one is actually not a natural thing. I mean, the rock and water is natural, but they have set up it in an artificial method and made it look natural. But this is so amazing. I was waiting for this only since morning, and this place is called as Rock Water Cascade in Kingfisher Wetland. So this place behind me is just so amazing. I can't even tell how beautiful it is. The sound of the waterfall and the way the water is flowing down, it's really amazing. This, oh my god, I have never been such happy looking at a nature, but this one is really beautiful and the water volume is really high, so I'm screaming but still fine. So over here you can find a lot of kingfisher statues and some kings of the lake. So there are especially few kings which live in the lake. You can spot them as well, and there are a lot of information given in boats and stuff, so you can get to know more about the nature. And this place is a very good time to spend time with your family and have really fun over here. So I'm gonna walk on this rocky path to spot the king of the lake. Over there you find the statue. So that's a kind of kingfisher. So guys, look at the kingfisher statue behind me. There are plenty of statues over here. And this one, in kingfisher there are a lot of varieties, you know. Different kind of species present over there. So this one is one kind of thing. I'll show you in a close-up look. So this one is looking really pretty, and it seems to be it's gonna just fly away from here. And look at the places. Can you even imagine a place like this in center of a city, that too in a well-developed country like Singapore? So I love this place so much. So as I told you guys, there are plenty of varieties of kingfisher. We have 4 kinds of kings of the lake. So Kolat kingfisher, white-throated kingfisher, common kingfisher and Orient draft kingfisher. So over here in this lake, we can find all these varieties of kingfisher. I'm really excited to find them all. I hope I can see everything. So I'm going in another rocky road now to find out more places. So let's travel and figure out whether we can find all the species present here. Okay, so take a look at this place. Oh my god. This place is entirely filled with a lot of lily pond. Now it's starting to get a bit sunny, but still fine. The climate is still a bit cool. So it's almost 7:40 the time and it's not that sunny yet, so it's actually pretty good if it's not sunny. If it's sunny, you can't actually walk in such places and can't do cycling. So there are a lot of rocks over here where you can sit and take good pictures. So this one is one. I'm gonna go up. Even kids will have a lot of fun here because it's pretty enjoyable, and I'm quite impressed with the outlook of this place. So I'm still continuing walking because cycling over here is actually pretty good, but I can't film the vlog while cycling. I can't do one-hand cycling. So I'm just going through walking and checking out all the good places over here. And I figured out another kingfisher statue, so let me show you that. So this one is another kingfisher statue. This one you often find like the normal kingfisher one. And look at this place, it's so gorgeous. this rock fountain, you know, it's like super cool and I love it. I can't even express how beautiful it is. I'm very impressed with this place. And over there I can spot Marina Bay Sands. I hope you can do so. So I came over to this place. We saw the Kingfisher before and now I came down and I'm standing like literally on the rock. So this look is really amazing and you can spot other Kingfisher over there. Guys, it doesn't even look like Singapore. In center of a city, this wetland is just, you know, blowing my mind off. I see a lot of places like this in Kerala, especially those backwaters I told you before. So this is like really impressive, very impressive. I'll keep on saying it, I know, but this place is really good. I have never seen coconut trees like those in Singapore and now I can find them. Okay, now let's just go ahead and walk and figure out more places. It became very sunny now, I mean quite sunny, and now I'm standing in the middle of the river, the lake, on the rock. So here is a small kind of waterfall going on. It's quite sunny, so it's a bit glary. I just enjoy walking at this place, but it's still a bit slippery, but I'm still enjoying over here. Let me go on to this. Yeah. Oh my god, now take a look. Very pretty. And I see another small waterfall over there, but you can't just look from here. I'll try to go near there and show you guys. So now take a look at this place, how pretty it is, and get jealous because I'm over here, right, and you can't. So make sure when you come to Singapore to look at this place and have fun time here, and if you come in the morning, it's very impressive. So I came in the morning and I can enjoy a very good day over here. There are few still waterfall fountain kind of thing. They are yet to start, so if they start I can go there and show you guys about it. So inside this, a jungle kind of feel. We planned to come in like very early morning, but I didn't wake up. Lazy, you know. So let's now head back to the top and I'll show you guys more places. So next place I found these kind of animal structures, bull-like structures lying on. There are a lot. Few are lying in the water. I find lily all over this wetland, guys. I love lily, the color is so pretty. Look at those bullock kind of thing. It's just randomly lying inside the water and yes, take a closer look of it. It became quite sunny now. It was very pleasant and humid in the morning and now it became quite sunny. It's still the morning but it became quite sunny. This place is so beautiful. So now I'm heading off to look at those rock cascade. The rock cascade is like the main important thing of this wetland. So let me go and show you guys how that place looks. Oh, it's so sunny. Can you look at my face? Yeah, so fine. So I'll go and show that to you. I hope it's like few meters away from here. We'll go by cycling and check out that place as well. Now I'm standing in another view of the lily pond and here it became quite sunny. So let me show you some other birds present over there. So there are plenty of birds present but I could only spot few of them. And now I'm walking to the wildlife lookout. So there is like a kind of arch like thing from where you can take a huge look, overall look of the Kingfisher wetland. And this is the arch and they made it over here. So let's go and check out how the look is. This arch is quite impressive. It's because of the design and patterns over there. It looks like those kind of roofs you find during those Asian time, you know, the pattern is like that. And oh, this is the wildlife lookout. How gorgeous this place is. Here you can spot all the mangrove trees, the lily pond, the sunshine over there, and the small bridge where we took a look at this place. and lot of plants, palm tree, coconut tree and everything. Guys, this place is just so amazing, and whenever you come to Singapore, rather than visiting all the attractions and city places, come over here and chill out your day and have fun. I was so pissed off that I couldn't get like good pictures these days, but this place you can get lot and plenty of pictures over here. And this look at this. Oh my god. Each and every place has a beautiful look. I'm gonna stand on this rock and show you guys. Oh, I can find Marina Bay Sands over there, and I see the top of the Flower Dome over there. Look at the reflection in the water. Oh, that's so nice. I don't even feel like being in Singapore. I feel as if I came to some village or something. But yeah, I love this place. Okay guys, now we come to the end of the vlog. I hope this vlog gave a very nature good vibe. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And do tell your feedback in the comment box below. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Stay tuned.